Hey guys, so today we are going to be finishing up our slide presentations that we've been working about. They're all about me. So today, last week, we kind of finished up with adding some transitions to our slides. And this week I'm going to show you how to actually present your presentation in full screen mode. So right up here at the top of your screen, you are going to push the Present button, and that will take you to showing only one slide at a time on my screen. Okay, now if I hover my mouse near the bottom of the screen, down here you'll see this bar. I can click the arrow to take me to the next slide, and it will automatically do that transition for me. Or I can also push the space bar on my device, and that will automatically advance my slides. Or I can click on my slide and that will also advance me one slide. So we are going to practice just getting through each one of my slides today and check that your navigation or your transitions look correct. Okay, now when I get to the very end, and this is my last slide of my presentation, I only have 4 slides. When I push the space bar or click or do anything now, it won't do anything. So again, if I hover my mouse down here at the bottom, I can click this word where it says exit, or you can find your escape key, ESC, in the top left corner of your keyboard and push that. And that will also take me back so that now I'm in my editing mode of my presentation. So push pause here and till everybody has a chance to present or play through their slides. Okay, so now that we've had a chance to play through our slides, now I'm going to show you how to do a screen recording of you talking about your slides. So I'm going to click back over here on my thumbnail of slide number 1, so I'm at my first slide again. And then up here in the bar next to your white space, you should see an icon that looks just like this. It kind of looks like a old film strip. Okay, it's a black icon with little cutouts on each side. That is a screen recording extension. So I'm going to click on that extension, and what it does is it asks you to set up access, and you're going to say allow, and you're going to say get started. So click through all of those things. Okay, so once I click on the icon, I should get a little pop-up that looks like this. At the top it says tab and then a desktop. What we're going to do is we're going to record the desktop. Okay, now once I have that on there, I want to make sure that I have open my presentation. And once I have those two things, click on your presentation, click on screencast. If I have all this set, I'm going to say start recording. And at that point, when I say start recording, it asks me, do you want to do your entire screen or your all about me Google Slides? Okay, I'm going to say entire screen and share. Okay, and so now it is automatically sharing my screen. I'm going to present. I'm going to talk about this presentation is all about me by Miss Cabot. I am 6 years old. I'm not really. I am in 1st grade at Mineral Point. My favorite thing to learn about is math. Now when I finish that, I'm going to push the escape again or stop that, and then I'm going to click again on this little icon up here at the top, and I'm going to say stop. Okay, that will automatically give me a little preview of my video, and at the top right up here I can then click and I can name it with my first name. So you would name yours your first name, name it, and then you can say close, and so it's named there. And then it says uploaded to Google Drive. That's exactly where I want it to be, so I'm going to go ahead and So once I get to this screen and I have named it with my name, I'm going to just go ahead and close that window. And I'm going to show you, if I go back to my Google Drive folder, there's a folder now out there called Screencastify. So I'm going to click on that, and then I should be able to double click on the video that says Mrs. Cabot, because that's what I named it, and then it should give me the video for mine. Right now it's not done processing because I just finished doing the recording, but it's out there. So you should then have a screencast of your presentation. Good luck!